What up, buddy? Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, okay, relax.
Wow.
Ryan's gonna be so mad at me that I'm taking so long, but literally, there's like a lot of stuff. Not really, but kinda. Look at what she has in here. This is my bag, and she has like that stuff in here. And I'm trying to fit this chicken. Oh man. Can't put that on top of my bag. I can push this one back, push this one back, and throw the chicken right there. And I think that's it for the trunk. You guys made it to the house. Oh, I should text my mom. Totally forgot. Right here, I gotta adjust this lighting.
This is the scary upstairs. What's this? This is a room. This is a bathroom. This color is like bad. I gotta like adjust the color. This room is so small. This is another room. This is back downstairs.
Alright, so these are empanadas. So basically the usual empanadas I usually get. You get the meat of your choice. I'm gonna do ground beef. Some people do chicken, pork, some people do pizza. So today I'm gonna do the ground beef, but I'm gonna add cheese to it, and then I'm gonna do pizza. So I have pasta sauce in the fridge, and then we're gonna do cheese. These are empanada dough discs. These are basically like the dough to make it, and it's gonna look like that when you fry it. So yeah, there's gonna be two. So we're gonna do pizza, and we're gonna do meat cheese. So we're excited. What's it called? What's this? Try it. Like mix it. I know, but I wish I could have an energy to pull out my camera.
I know.
The life of the party is here.
Yeah.
I'm the life of the party?
Yes,
That's what Jeremiah was supposed to do.
guess what? Record. Yeah, he got a camera too.
Oh, wait, is that their backyard?
Say again?
Oh wait, no, that's the other house.
Oh, is that a G7 or no?
No, everybody keeps asking me that. It's a M100 Canon.
Okay, okay.
It's trash. The G7, is that a G7? G7's better.
They sit here for playing with y'all.
Like I had given up on Christian. I was like, Christian, you're hard at it.
You see, I didn't really want to go with this. So I was like, I don't know what she doing.
Look at how I'm like literally just all.
Fine.
My
Yeah, I
heart,
was like,
you know
I'm
how
not-
broken my heart was? No, you know how broken it
Christian
was?
doing them dirty.
My heart was so broken. Like I didn't want to talk about it anymore, bro.
You got stolen when I went to New York.
Bruh.
Checking out at the hotel, and you know how hotels can hold your bag? Yeah, well, they held my bag, and next thing I went to go pick up my bag, and it wasn't there. So who took my shit?
Wait, what type of camera did you have?
A photo camera. He brought in me.
Destiny.
I can't eat those.
For real.
There's so much stuff in the fridge too.
There's some fruits. There's some bacon left over. There's a waffle left.
Y'all bought grapes, y'all know I can't.
Why can't you eat grapes?
She has fruit salad here. If you guys want fruit
Did you get
salad,
braces too?
you have to break. I need some.
You can't eat apples. Well, I mean, you can.
Yeah, you got it.
Look, they have
Everything's
a whole
cut.
fruit salad.
I'm gonna go to Supercut.
We're going to church.
We gotta start shouting.
We're going to church.
Alright, they made the first move.
It's too early to talk to the vlog. I'm like tired. there's the other vlogger. He's not vlogging though.
Nah, because the old folk in here, they just gonna judge me.
You gotta record them and ask them what do they think about Trump. I gave up. I didn't know what to get.
Come on, get like a hash brown or something.
Hate hash browns.
Oh, I mean, that's what Christian be getting when she don't get none. Oh, it's free here? See, they not taxing.
I'm about to drop our song. I'm tired right now. Like, it's too early. I wish it was like 2 p.m. and I'd be awake.
I literally had to wake him up because like he was the last person up. Like, bro.
I'm not a morning person. I'm a late night person.
I'm not a morning person either, but like
That's cap.
I've just like had to like always.
If you can wake up in the morning and you're functional, you're a morning person.
But like I've just had to like learn to like wake up, and my brain just like wakes up at that specific time. So it's like,
I used to do that for school and I still like hated it every single morning.
yeah. Your whole life, bro.
Okay, we need a better pose.
All right.
Wait, you can tap it like that?
Yeah. Now a little update. We've read rides, eating. How has the Hershey Park experience been? I can see your hands. Good enough. Yeah, I can see. Wow. He's taking over. Okay.
But we have a microphone so it can hear us. Damn, my hair looks bad.
You try it?
Yeah, it's really. I already done finished one. Where's your mic? Let me get them ASMR.
Yeah. You might as well.
This is gonna be some ASMR.
It moves. Oh, you even got the face lock. So it's only locked onto her? Oh, okay. Sheesh. Yeah.
If you stand up, will it go up?
Oh my God. Shoulder. He got that thing over the shoulder.
I know y'all just seen that on the camera, right?
What?
He just stole a fries.
From who?
Me.
One out of 10 really to rate this.
Good. Like a 9.7.
1 out of 10 really to rate this.
All them people over y'all.
Since you had two things, tenders then the
Fries were a 10.
Fries are 9. Tenders. Because of that little thing in the middle. I rated like the 7. Those are 10.
sorry. 1 out of 10, everything.
10. This is my first time trying garlic knots. 8. Tenders, 8.
See, now we're gonna go get on the little the kiss thing, the flower thing.
That concludes our mukbang. We finna go on the kissing tower. I guess I'll film on there. I guess.
We had a 10-minute lunch. I gotta take my hair out now. Bye guys, see you later. was so fast. I was so like locked in. Me too. Look, guys, Mariah has a new bear now. She's a bear now. She's dark skinned like you. He's slacking on his vlog, guys. He ain't even like turn on the camera.
I'm done. I'm retired.
That's me. I'm retired.
No, I heard that you were meaning to get in touch with me, but then I heard you were dead.
Just like a spinning part.
1 out of 10, the last ride.
7.
7.
I agree. 7.
7. Alright. Wait, let me see it one more time.
Can't you look it up online?
Or like, you want to share one?
I'm gonna just say
Get whatever.
Read it.
Look at me.
Nah.
Try it, it's good.
Like I'm so dark at the end though, you could barely see me.
I'm breaking a rule. Really bad.
See Son.
What's the name?
What's his name?
On the spot, you gotta come up with it.
No, Nicholas.
No, it's
Jamie Jr.
Nicholas.
No, like shit.
He's already a junior.
I'm a
Oh,
junior.
Junior.
Jamie is there.
Okay.
No, like shit.
Okay, his name's
Your baby is
Chava.
big.
No way.
What'd you say?
I said, say what's up. Thank you. Thank you again.
It's loud in here. I don't have my mic.
Hey, he's a YouTuber. He is.
Yeah. You gotta ask him?
No, I got such a meet the man. Why were you on everything?
Yo, do a flip, Christian. Now everybody.
No, he's gonna do it for him. Whoa.
Yeah. Bruh, now everybody came over here. I'm finna put the camera away. Yo.
Stayed OT, you could've turned pap, I bent my shank. They phone my phone when they know I'm free. Just give me a few days, I'm out this pack. I ain't gonna touch no bro, not you. Like you gon' come back and blame on gas. I could've got put handcuffed on scene, but I'm taking Jason, losing track. How many times have you been got and you ain't gonna get back either? They only got chat like Eva. They got no pool like Eva. One pulled for 6 on 3, now I'm talking the town like Marks. I'm uptown with a C1, got a thing in that back, but I ain't on taking chance.
They finna double team.
I ain't on taking chance. Everybody said we got no problem. You know what? We get some tough. Nobody want things, so I walk right off. Man, best know that my heart be pure. Why would you disrespect like I like being dissed? You get blunt or bored. Trap, serving Ross. No time up, trying to dodge the door. If I aim.
Christian.
Look, you want to wait for Christian to see if she'll try and beat us.
You're winning that shit.
Vlog now.
Here you go.
Well, we finna leave. That was pretty good. I wish I could have recorded on the go-karts. How was it?
You should have. It was very much
Good.
He didn't even 10 out of 10. Anyways, it was so much fun. I'm starting to lose my voice. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow when we're going on Hershey Park, but you know what? I'm having fun. I love them so much. And yeah, here, my skin looks so smooth.
Good. How was it?
He's like, good. Is that a birthmark? All right, then. Look, y'all. Put her on the vlog. Put her on the vlog. It's a birth vlog. Listen to this. That's so Is this still the kid place?
Yeah. How was it? How was it?
It was good.
It was good.
Yeah.
was
You had
good.
fun? That's good. I'm so happy.
Even with the kids here?
It was fun. Even with the kids.
Yep. We was going crazy. Well,
Now it's time for them to clean up.
for real, they was hitting me with the dodgeballs.
Yo, they like crazy.
All them kids was following us, bro.
Yo, I'm a vlogger now.
We got the famous guy right here.
Definitely gonna be in.
Who can get the home the fastest? Taking them activities. They already tried to rob my camera at Urban Air.